Welcome, children. Today's class is for Standard 7, Subject Geography, Chapter 9, Agriculture. Before we start, let us know what is agriculture. Agriculture describes the practice of growing crops. As in the above image, you can see the changes in agriculture practice. In the past, primitive man had to wander in the forest to collect forest products. But later, he learned the art of cultivation and started getting greater production from the land. Through this, he could provide for the whole year's need for agriculture. He also started obtaining a number of products through floriculture, horticulture, rearing of animals, and pisciculture. Gradually, he abandoned his nomadic life and undertook different occupations related to agriculture at same place. But with changing of time, different type of agriculture has evolved due to geographical and cultural diversity and technological differences in different regions. The type of farming depend upon the purpose and aim of method of farming, the crops being cultivated, the techniques used, land use, etc. Depending upon the geographical conditions, demand of product, labor and level of technology, farming is divided into two main types, that is subsistence farming and commercial farming. Subsistence farming is furthermore divided into intensive farming and shifting cultivation. Intensive farming. It is a traditional farming carried out in one and same farm for years. The practice of growing crops and raising livestock sufficient only for one's own use without any surplus for trade is known as intensive farming. Shifting cultivation. In shifting cultivation, the farmer initially selects a piece of land in the forest. In order to make it cultivable, he clears the land by cutting down the trees, plants, removing shrubs and grasses. Once the cut trees dry, he burns it. Then the leftover ashes are mixed in the soil and act as manure. As the production obtained is not sufficient, people undertake other activities like hunting, fishing, and gathering forest products. Next, we have commercial farming. And commercial farming is further divided into extensive grain farming, plantation farming, market gardening, horticulture, floriculture. Commercial farming. The name itself suggests that the growing of crop is done for the purpose of earning profit. Intensive grain farming is a kind of farming where agriculture production system that uses small inputs of labor and maximum of machinery. Due to the great size of the farm, pesticides are sprayed with the help of helicopter or plane. Due to large area, machineries are used well and a policy of monocrop, that is single crop, for example wheat or corn, is produced. Plantation farming is a type of commercial farming which involves farming on a large area of land to maximize output and profit. It requires huge capital and involves extensive labor. Some famous crops grown in plantation farming are tea, coffee, spices, cotton, sugarcane, etc. Market gardening. Farmers cultivate vegetables and other items in their vicinity of urban center to cater the demand of city dwellers. This types of cultivation works on a principle of economics, demand and supply. Low investment, demand of market, use of science and technology is the important characteristics of market gardening. The quality and price of the product is determined by rapid transportation. Hence, it is also called truck farming. Horticulture and floriculture. Cultivation of flowers and fruit is a subtype of market gardening. Fruits and flowers are major product in this type of farming. Modern as well as traditional methods are used. The size of the farms are small and every plant is cared properly. Flowers like lily, roses, etc. and fruits such as strawberry and grapes are grown. Let us recall what we have studied today.